What we have here is couple of Visioneer earphones. I contacted Visioneers and they agreed to give me couple of their loaner units. These are not bought by me, but these are for a tour that I will conduct within the Indian territory, and we have a few participants. We will review these earphones. These are supposed to be Visioneer VE6 and Eve 20. I'm not exactly sure if they have sent the Visioneer XE or not, but this is Visioneer 6 for sure. 6 XE or 6, it is one of those. And I would like to thank Amin Karimpur for conducting this review tour. We are receiving a few gifts from them. These are excellent stuff, man. These are dope shit. This is dope shit. I'll keep this aside. These are the appreciation kit, and this is mind blowing from Visioneers. They have given us a couple of these are noise cancelling buds. This is good from them. It's generous from them for sure. Let me take this out. Let me Okay, so these are the earphones in metal cases. VE6XC sample. This is Eve 20. Let's open one of these things too, but do I need to open these things, which is mine? Thanks to Suman. Okay, this is mine. So let's not do any exploration into these things, because this is not Visioneers is known for, but I believe there are some chocolates and stuff in this, because I have previously received chocolates from earphone brands, and that's what I'm assuming here. Nevertheless, oh come on, these are the IEMs VE6XC. Let's go closer. We do not need that much of coverage with these things. These are smaller. These do not have the retail box. These are sample units. 2D India. Amin has been really generous. He sent us not one but 2 IEMs. These are hot. I don't know why, but these are hot. Maybe because of the heat inside the delivery vehicle. But yep, we have some tips, some spin fit tips. That is what the VEIMs ship with. Wow. So the specialty of the VE6XE is this switch. It is supposed to alter the sound a bit. It is supposed to give it a boost in the lower range, and that's a interesting thing. Looks excellent, doesn't it? These IEMs, come off. These things really make me work. These simpler things are really, at times, I some people ask me, why do I have nails? See what's happening. That's why I have nails. That's why I have fucking nails. So I would not like to bleed out of my nails. So let me show you. This is the face plate. These are gorgeous looking IEMs. Looks excellent. 6 drivers, 6 BA drivers in here. VE601. They say XC because of this. There's buttons, there's flickable buttons here. Yeah, priced at, these are priced at 1399 euros. Very expensive. German engineering has to be expensive. So let me put this in. we went for two 6BA driver IEMs because we do not have a lot of experience with top of the line stuff. These are very expensive for us, even more expensive than the Andromedas, so it's kind of unexplored territory for most of us. These are the Eve. Let me go up a bit. Should I? No, that's good enough. I think it's good enough. These are Eve 20, priced similarly at 12.99 or 13.99 euros. These are supposed to have 6BA drivers, similar to the 6XC, but these are smaller, not bigger. Thankfully, I believe this will sound equally impressive. These tips will not go inside my ear. These are very small to be precise, very small. This is some different kind of nozzle here, a bit more matte finish to the nozzle. I don't know why these guys are using SpinFit. Maybe because this IM must be sounding good with SpinFit, but I'll try a couple of ear tips nevertheless. Looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. The red color on the Eve Vision Ear Eve 20 VE. So this is the unboxing. This cable is just run of the mill. I don't know why these premium brands do not have premium looking, exciting looking cables, but this is what we get when we pay 1300 euros, not even dollars. 1300 euros, it nearly translates into around $1450. So these are expensive IEMs, around 1 lakh rupees is, but this is what we get. This is just a okay kind of cable. There isn't anything special about these cables at all. This is okay. What can one do? I'll be comparing it with the Hero I got a day ago. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy. If you haven't subscribed and you want to know about these IEMs, subscribe. Hit the bell icon if there is any. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.